Hi, it's Sarah again, and this is my fourth video in my series of tutorial videos on the PubChem Advanced Search Builder. In this video, we will be exploring the options of refining search results by the compound's chirality. Now, as we start out at the home page of PubChem, we can click on the Advanced Search feature over here to take us to the Advanced Search Builder. Let's pull down the drop-down menu to see all the different searching options. Here you can see options for defined and undefined chirality centers. The option for just atom chiral count will limit your search to include the total number of chiral atoms. The defined atom chiral count will include chiral atoms that have a defined R or S configuration, and the undefined chiral count will include chiral atoms that haven't been defined as R or S. Let's take a quick second to brush up on the chemistry behind this concept. A chiral molecule is one that cannot be superimposed upon its mirror image, meaning that the mirror image of the molecule is different than the original molecule. As you may recall, the divisions of isomers, or different compounds that have the same molecular formula but differ in connectivity, there is a subdivision known as stereoisomers, in which the atoms are connected in the same sequence, but the arrangement of the atoms in space differ. Within this subdivision, there are enantiomers, or molecules that are chiral, and diastereomers, or molecules that are not chiral, or achiral. Enantiomers have the ability to exist in pairs, one of the R spin, or to the right, and one of the S spin, or to the left. This will be possible if the molecule contains a chirality center or a tetrahedral atom with 4 different groups attached to it. The word chiral is derived from the 19th century Greek word chair, meaning hand. If you note, the left hand cannot be superimposed upon the right hand, which is where the idea of chirality is derived. So, in going back to our search options here, we can search for molecules based on how many ever chiral atoms you wish, and you can search for molecules of the specific R or S configuration. Let's search for the specific R and S enantiomers of the ibuprofen molecule. As you will recall from our last search in video 3, when we did this search with the complete synonym option, it yielded 3 results. One of these was the S enantiomer, one was the R enantiomer, and one was the undefined configuration. Let's try searching for ibuprofen with the complete synonym option and with atom chiral defined count. When doing this, the user must manually type in the range of 1 to 1 next to the option selected in order to produce a compound with only one chiral center. If one does not type this in, the database assumes a range of 0 to 1 and will produce compounds with both 0 chiral centers and 1 chiral center. Now let's click search, and as you can see, just the R and the S molecules are produced in the search. This is because the molecule with an undefined configuration cannot be proven to have a chiral center and would thus be considered to have 0 chiral centers. To show this, we can go back to the Advanced Search Builder and search for ibuprofen with the complete synonym option, along with the atom chiral undefined count with a 1 to 1 range. And we will see that it produces only 1 hit, thus taking us directly to the compound summary page of the undefined ibuprofen molecule. In my next video, I will go into detail on how to search for different isomers of the diastereomer category, or cis and trans isomers. These are classified under bond stereocenters option, but do note that cis and trans, or Z and E isomers, have nothing to do with stereocenters or chirality. They are simply called this in the search to show a parallel, in theory, with atom chirality. Thanks for watching.